Updating your credit card information on CVS Caremark is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the CVS Caremark website and log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to payment information. Once logged in, look for the account or profile section. Click on it to find the option for payment information or billing details. Step 3. Select Update Credit Card. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter new credit card details. Input your new credit card number, expiration date, and any other required information. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to save your updated payment details. You should receive a confirmation that your information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on CVS Caremark. Keeping your payment details current ensures uninterrupted service and convenience.